question.
So why don't we start calling it a case rate rather than no balance or zero balance? Para hindi natin nalilito yung publiko. Kasi, correct me if I'm wrong, ha? Kasi ang batas sinasabi, magsa-survey kayo. Di ba? Ang PhilHealth. Pag survey nyo, i-average nyo ngayon yan. So yung average, yan yung case rate. So kung sa DOH hospital, pag sinabi nyo 50,000 for this procedure, kung sa DOH hospital, it's only 35,000, zero billing ka or no billing. Pag pumunta ka sa isang private hospital and it's 50,000 within the case rate, zero billing ka. But kung ikaw mismo pupunta ka sa mas mahal na hospital and it's 70,000, bayad ka ng 20,000. Because the intention of the law was, in the average, there's more than enough hospitals na you will go na it's 50,000. Pero pag hindi mo inayos yung case rate, yung average, de halos kahit saan ka pumunta, over, edi natural magbabayad ka. Di ba? So the no billing or zero billing, ang kambal niyan yung case rate. Tama?
Correct.
Okay. Ang problema, because of the scandal, etc., and I knew, sir, wala ka pa nun, yung presidente natin ng PhilHealth, ang ginawa niyong remedyo na lang, quick 2024, is you just had a order na 30% na lang increase sa lahat. Tama po?
30% plus another 50% increase in case rate. So the total increase as of today is 80%.
Yes, 30% noong 2024, and then nagsunod nga, same year, another 50%. Okay?
Correct, that's correct.
Matatapos na yung 2025. Ba't hindi kayo nagsasurvey?
Ongoing, there are how many thousand case rates? There are so many thousand case rates. So the case rate was across the board, but we are increasing a lot of rates that have now really gone beyond zero balance. For example, dialysis. It used to be 2,500. We increased it to 6,350. And the dialysis patients are not paying any more additional, even in the private dialysis center. Heart attack, we also increased it from a measly 75,000. We increased it to about 500,000 plus.
I acknowledge that.
Even jeepney drivers are treated in private hospitals for...
I acknowledge yung coronary artery bypass graft surgery is 660 until 960,000. Philippine Heart Center, it's 550,000. Makati Med, it's 550 to 900,000. May sobra pa ng 6,000 and world-class ang Makati Med. I acknowledge that. I acknowledge dialysis, ganun din, di ba? But ang point is not that, I tell my staff, huwag kayong pumunta sa akin at sasabihin nyo, sa major subjects, 90 kayo lahat, pero sa isang subject, 70 ka. We're talking about our healthcare system eh. And that's why you're supposed to have periodic surveys. But nowadays with digital, and because you regulate hospitals, you cannot send to all the hospitals one piece of paper, or you cannot send a iPad na sasagutin nila, then they give it to you at sasagutin?
For your information, the PhilHealth is currently doing what's called shadow billing for the diagnosis-related groups.
Sir, you're not answering my questions eh. Nandun ako sa inyong survey sa case rate.
The survey is the shadow billing of how much each case costs currently in several hospitals.
And how
I think 160 hospitals.
It's November.
PhilHealth is doing this.
It's November now. Taguig has 1.3 million residents. We have about 160 to 180,000 households. Every quarter, we do a survey with 200 questions at least per household. Every quarter. It's November now. Why can you not have the survey para alam talaga natin magkano? So, if you're going to tell me...
You're asking about a household survey done by PSA or a survey of hospitalization?
We're surveying 160,000 households every 3 months.
Household, not hospitals.
Not hospitals.
So we're surveying hospital costs.
So isn't it easier for you? You're going to do 160 hospitals na under your regulation, hindi nyo matapos kaagad?
It's ongoing. We're doing it. Kailan matatapos?
It's November na eh.
For the survey to be completed, it's about 5 to 6 million claims that they started to
Sir,
to average the
You
cost.
don't need the claims. Ang pinag-uusapan dito, costing analysis. All you have to do is ask all the hospitals yung bawat ano nyo, magkano yon.
So when there is a claim, there is also the actual cost and the bill. So PhilHealth has all that data.
Kaya nga
So
pinapahirap.
they're doing the survey
Mr.
of
Secretary,
5,000.
Mr. Secretary, learn to listen then. I'm telling you, pinapahirapan nyo ang sarili nyo. Ito, cesarean section, 23,000 to 58,000 pesos. Sa Fabella, 37,000 pasok. Sa Makati Med, 18 to 240,000. All you have to do is ask Makati Med to average that for you. You send the survey forms, they send it back. You're talking about 160 hospitals. Kayang gawin ng isang